Welcome to Leading Forex Academy. This is our new office space in Accra. It's been a while you heard from me on the internet or YouTube here. The reason is because I was busy putting up this whole project. And that is why it has been so difficult to hear from me. Finally, by the grace of God, everything has come to perfection. So our physical space is now ready for those of you who are interested to meet me one-on-one or will want to have training with me in Accra. Now, I am here today to give you two announcements. Announcement number one, a few of you in Europe and other parts of the world contacted me and then registered your interest to do copy trading or to copy from me. But because you were in Europe, you were restricted from copying from me. Now, the good news is that there is a broker that has given me that opportunity to give to you. They are in Europe. So if you are in Europe now, you can now copy from me because this broker allows those of you in Europe and other parts of the world, Canada and other parts of the world, to copy from me as a master. All right. So if you are interested and you are in Europe and you want to still take part in the copy trading, please get in touch with me. My number is on the screen as you are watching. Get the number and chat me via WhatsApp. And then I can show you the process to register so that you can be able to start copying from me. That is for those of you in Europe. Even if you are in Africa and you still want to copy from that broker, you can still do that. It's still available for those of you in Africa. So that is announcement number one. That is the good news. So if you're in Europe and you want to copy my trades, copy trading, get in touch. Now it's available for those of you in Europe. Now, the second announcement is my mentorship program. Now, I am going to be doing the physical mentorship. Physical. The first batch of students have finished, and I can't wait for them to start telling you their testimonies or giving you their experiences. It has been so wonderful. And personally, I would love to meet you also one-on-one, if time will permit. Our office is ready. You can walk in every Saturday. We have 3 different sessions. It's only on Saturdays. Saturday, we have 9 a.m. session, which is in the morning. We also have the 2 p.m. session, which is in the afternoon. And then we have the 4 p.m. session, which is the evening. Now, the 4 p.m. session in the evening is for those of you online. Those of you online who may not be able to come for the physical training, you will have to join the online session. So if you are not even within Ghana, or you are within Ghana, but time may not permit you to come to the physical space, then you can take part in the online session, which is the 4 p.m. Ghana time. Now, those of you who can get a time to come, it is every Saturday. Come join our physical mentorship, either the morning session or the afternoon session, and I know you will have good results and testimonies. Already, there is good news out there for those who started with me. And very soon, they will start sharing their testimonies. I can't wait to see you so that for us to discuss and to vibe and for us to learn forex trading together. Kofi Dollar is my name. I'll see you. So contact me. As you can see the number on the screen. Get in touch with me, either for the copy trading or the mentorship. And let's vibe. I'll see you. Thank you very much.